How to create a Discord account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you create or register a Discord account. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Discord app on your device. After you open Discord, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom, tap on register. And from here, you'll be able to create or register your Discord account via your phone or email. Simply choose one interface. Alright, from here I will provide my email address. After you provide your email address, tap on next. Now from here, provide your display name. From here, tap on next. After that, you'll be able to select your username and password. Simply select your username and set a strong password. After you provide it, tap on next. From here, insert your date of birth. After that, tap on next. Alright, tap on confirm. Now from here, you'll have to just verify with the human verification. Simply move the object. Tap on verify. As usual, you can choose your profile picture. Alright, as you can see, this is the step to create or register new Discord account. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.